When it comes to building muscle, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Weight training. Weight training is the most popular way to build muscle, but unfortunately for calisthenics, it doesn't really have the best reputation when it comes to getting jacked.
Calisthenics are a complete and utter waste of time when it comes to exercise. As a matter of fact, they're not even exercise. Exercise must stimulate an adaptive response, an improvement in muscular strength and muscular size. Calisthenics cannot do this.
Most people think it's a great way to stay lean or it's good for muscular endurance, which is true. However, you can indeed build muscle with calisthenics. Just look at some of the top male gymnasts and some of the elite street lifters in calisthenics. They have physiques that rival even some of the best competitive bodybuilders. So today I'm going to break down how you can build muscle with calisthenics. And number one is to focus on the basics. Use basic compound exercises such as push-ups, rows, pull-ups, dips, and even squats. Yes, squats, especially barbell squats, is technically a calisthenics movement. You don't need to use complicated exercises. You can also use rings, parallettes, boxes or benches, weight vests or weight plates to make the basic exercises even harder. Number two is to use a bodybuilding approach when it comes to your training methods. Use the 5 to 30 rep ranges to stimulate hypertrophy for muscle growth. You can also use progressive overload, which can be done by changing the variation of the exercise or to add weight, as I mentioned earlier. Using anything below 5 reps will train more for strength development, so you really want to stay in the 5 to 30 rep range. Anything higher than 30 will focus more on muscular endurance. Number three is to focus less time on skill training. Skills don't really carry over in terms of building muscle mass, especially static skills, even though they look cool and they get attention in the gym. However, if you really want to use skills in your training, it's best to use them dynamically. For example, doing front level pull-ups or doing handstand push-ups. Skills done in this format will constantly add tension throughout the movement onto the muscles due to the contraction of the muscles. Now, number four may confuse a little bit, but that is to add weight training to your program. Guys, don't be afraid to include some weight training into your routines and do a bit more of a hybrid approach. It's great for isolating muscle groups and building up any lagging body parts. Yes, calisthenics is great for me, and I would pick it over weight training any day if I had to pick between the two, but including both will make you an unstoppable beast because you'll get the best out of both worlds. So don't be so dogmatic when it comes to training and building up your body. However, if you strictly want to focus on calisthenics, that's fine, but you could be leaving some gains on the table. So there you have it, guys. Calisthenics will indeed build muscle. It all depends on how you train and the approach that you use to building up your muscle mass. So follow these steps that I highlighted in this video and you'll have no doubts in terms of building muscle, the dream physique that you want. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you support the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.